Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Rocketx token. Name of the token is Rocketx, ticker symbol is RVF. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing July 3rd. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is being listed tomorrow. Brand new listing on a big central exchange called Mexc Global. So exact listing time here is July 3rd, 13 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search RVF, and then simply just buy the token. So Rocketx is the most advanced central exchange and decentralized exchange aggregator that simplifies across to 300 plus decentralized exchanges and 6 top centralized exchanges with $100 billion plus liquidity via a single UI and API. We help users compare prices and get the best rates for every swap, supports interoperability between 100 plus blockchains and pretty soon over 200 plus, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cosmos, etc. with one-click cross-chain swap capabilities. Now, this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. So right now they have 2,565 holders, so they're doing very well so far. Fully diluted market cap, a little bit over $6.6 million. Circulating supply market cap, a little bit over $6.9 million. 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply, 71,300,000 RVF tokens. Now, their Twitter, as always, I put their Twitter up here so you guys can easily find this token. 20,900 Twitter followers. You can find it at Rocketx Exchange, a hybrid non-custodial aggregator that simplifies access to $100 plus billion liquidity. Now, their official webpage, rocketx.exchange. Their Twitter has 2,050 tweets, so they're very active on their socials here. They have the blue verified check mark as well. Now, if you go to their webpage, you can also find a full white paper. It's a 17-page white paper. Obviously starts with table of contents, disclaimer, but they're going to have roadmap, business model, future products, tokenomics, all that stuff is available on their white paper. So it says they started as Rocket Vault was their original name, which is a smart trading bot based on machine learning and AI to maximize returns and minimize losses. Now, you could take a look at their Rocket Vault white paper as well. And then it says they pivoted to Rocketx due to regulatory uncertainty around staking products and stablecoins, which is ongoing even today. We have come up with this vision paper as the white paper is outdated. So this is a brand new update because the Rocket Vault white paper is kind of obsolete now. So it says the opportunity, the current market is too fragmented with many exchanges where users have to spend unnecessary time and energy to find the best price to buy and sell a specific token. It is humanly impossible to scan through hundreds of exchanges to find the best price in real time. And then number 2, execute the order by going through all the annoying steps such as toggling between multiple decentralized exchanges and learning about the different platform procedures in the case of decentralized exchanges, registering with multiple centralized exchanges, multiple KYCs, depositing, placing an order, and withdrawing the destination token in case of centralized exchanges. So our mission is to simplify and streamline the process of crypto swapping for everyone by providing a centralized and decentralized exchange aggregator that offers the best rates across all leading exchanges. We aim to provide our users with a seamless experience and empower them to make informed decisions through our comprehensive comparison tool. Our strategy, we noticed that the decentralized exchange space is too crowded with a lot of aggregators, and we adopted the strategy not to reinvent the wheel, but rather aggregate the aggregators on the decentralized exchange side and focus on building the most advanced smart order routing via centralized exchanges, which is proprietary technology. Our vision is to become the go-to platform for crypto trading by providing a one-stop shop that caters to the needs of both retail users and institutions. We strive to be at the forefront of the crypto industry and to be recognized as a trusted and reliable platform that empowers users to maximize their profits and achieve their financial goals. So they're going to have bridges, the decentralized exchange aggregators, centralized exchanges, DEXs. So the DEXs, some of the DEXs that they're going to go through, as I mentioned, there's going to be a lot of them. Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, SpookySwap, Trader Joe, etc. And then for the centralized exchanges, Mexc Global, of course, because that's where they're being listed, but then also Huobi Global, Bybit, KuCoin, OKX, and then probably more in the future. So the benefits of Rocketx is you can compare and get the best rates, interoperability, cross-chain swap between native assets across 200 plus blockchains, any-to-any token swap, one-stop shop, easy tax reporting, swap to any wallet address, self-custody, non-custodial, privacy, low 0% trading fees, reduce gas fees by 80%, fiat on and off ramp, walletless swap, transparency, intuitive UI, and amazing UX. So those are all the benefits that you will get with this project here. Now, if you want to review the privacy, all the things that I just mentioned, like the fiat on and off ramp, the walletless swap, they go into more detail about each one of these things on their light paper or their white paper, whatever you want to call it. 17 pages long, very tiny print, so you could read this probably for a while. Token information, RVF stands for Rocket Vault Finance. That's what it's short for. We already went over, max supply, all that stuff, but it is going to be a cross-chain token that you'll be able to get on Ethereum, BNB chain, and Polygon. So it's 3 different chains, and you'll be able to use this token for a lot of different things. Early access, buybacks, airdrops, platform fee discounts, etc. Token allocation, it's split up between operations, marketing advisors, development, pre-seed, seed round, strategic round, private sale, public sale, staking reward, so you could stake the token, exchange liquidity, team, and operations. So yeah, check this all out. You can find all the info on their webpage, rocketx.exchange. You can find their Twitter up here. You can find this token newly listed as of tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. If you don't have an account, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.